Hello guys and welcome back to Mr. P channel on YouTube. So in today's video, I will talk again about the Amazon Alexa, the Amazon Echo Dot first generation. So today I am not going to talk any feature after all, but I only talk about how to set a custom voice command for your Alexa with a custom response to your voice command. You can also set a schedule for your Alexa to be alert at any time you want. For example, with a morning call, just like a greeting message in the morning, a greeting message in the afternoon, or some kind of reminder, some sort of reminder for your specific time. So let's get started together with the Alexa app. Okay guys, so now we are on the home, on a home screen. So I have already installed my Amazon Alexa, Amazon Echo Dot uh, app. So all I have to do is pressing to open the Amazon Alexa Echo Dot. Okay, so once you open it, you will launch on the main screen right here. Now after that, all you have to do is tap on the menu bar at the top left corner. So then you go into the routine. Now once you arrive on the routine home screen, all you have to do is to press the button, the plus button at the top right corner. So in this place is the place where you have to add a command. For example, you want Alexa to you want to give a command like Alexa good morning, or Alexa how's the weather today, or even more. So it's based on your preferred command. So all you have to do is to press here at the top one when this happens. So tap on it. Now you can set for two things. One is the schedule and another one is the voice command. So voice command is just like you're gonna set a custom voice command so that when Alexa hear your voice command, and it will respond to your custom reply that you have set. Or you can just set it as schedule. So schedule in here is just like you want to remind yourself every day at 6 a.m. or maybe 6 p.m. to not forget to turn on or off the light, or maybe you want to remind yourself at 6 a.m. to eat some custom breakfast or something. So you just go ahead and set on schedule, and by the time it set to that time, it will remind you that to do some specific job that you want Alexa to remind you. So first of all, let me get to voice command first. So if you want to set a voice command, just tap on the voice command over there, tap on it, voice. So now you will see the word in here like Alexa, and then there's a comma, and then it's at enter a phrase. So in here you have to enter your specific phrase. For example, Alexa, let's say, get me some coffee. Get me some coffee. Okay, and then we're gonna click on save, and down there you will see the word add action. So once Alexa hear your voice command, it will perform some action. For example, we're gonna press add action, and now let's say we want Alexa to reply back. So there's a many function in here. You can just like when you give a voice command, you want Alexa to instantly play music, or giving you a news report, or maybe trigger some smart home, smart automation, or maybe giving a traffic condition, or even more is to set up volume. So it's based on what type of voice command you're giving. So I'm giving right now is just like giving a normal voice command, a basic voice command that I want to say that give me some coffee. So I want Alexa to reply back to me with some voice response. So I'm gonna tap on Alexa say. Now I wanna you can set on an existed voice response, or maybe you want to type your own voice response by click on the custom and then enter your own phrase. For example, let's say I'll get you some coffee in a minute, and then you will see the next button and keep on pressing on next. Now it will confirm that Alexa will say, I'll get you some coffee in a minute. So you want to tap on add, and then all you have to do is to click on create, and it will finish creating your voice command or routine. So you can test it right now. Okay, after we are setting some custom voice command for Alexa, now let's test our voice command. So a moment ago I set it for like get me some coffee, so I'm gonna express the voice command and see how it gonna respond back. Is it gonna respond something weird, or it follow my response, my custom response that I have set in Alexa app? So let's get started and test it together. Alexa, get me some coffee. Oh, sorry, the volume is a little bit down. Alexa, get me some coffee.
It'll get you some coffee in a minute.
See, so this is how you create a voice command and let it respond back through your custom setup of its own voice response. So this function is actually called a routine function, which means that it will respond back through your custom setup and with custom voice response. So I'll get you a little bit more on how to remove the voice response, and it actually some kind of very simple task. So let's get started now. Okay, so here we go again on how to remove the voice command that we have just set up for Alexa Echo Dot. So all you have to do is just go into your Amazon Alexa. So let me clear it out first. Okay, I'll clear it all to run it again. Okay, so go into Amazon Alexa. Now, after you land on the home page, just tap on the menu button at the top left corner. Okay, so go into routine. So now you will see a list of your voice command. Like here I have set some alarm, some schedule, and also some voice command. But here we have just add our recently add Alexa get me some coffee. So I want to remove this voice command. So how do you do that? Well, it's very simple. All you have to do is just tap on it, and now after that, if you're not looking for, if you don't intend to remove, you just somehow want to disable it for some short of time, maybe all you have to do is just to toggle this on to off, and it will set disable. So once you give this voice command, it won't respond any after all. Or if you are not very interested with this voice command, or you thinking that this voice command is kind of annoying, or maybe you want to set up something new, all you have to do is tap on the three dot at the top right corner, and then click on delete routine. Now your routine has been deleted. So you can see that all you have now is just a normal list that you have used before, and there's no other recent routine display at all. So this is how you're gonna delete, and also this is how you are going to set up your routine, or a simple, or maybe some kind of custom voice command with custom response on your Alexa Echo Dot. So thank you guys for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to get even more interesting video in the upcoming future. Thank you from Mr. P.